In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form view in Monday.com. This quick guide will walk you through the steps, ensuring that you'll be able to effortlessly create and manage forms within your workspace. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you're not already familiar, Monday.com is a work operating system where teams run projects and workflow in a visual and collaborative space. When you arrive on the homepage, locate and click on the Login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the Login area. Once you're on the Login page, select the Google option to streamline the process using your Google account. If you've already linked your Google account to Monday.com, you'll just need to select the correct account from the list that appears. This is a convenient and secure way to access your Monday.com workspace without dealing with extra passwords. After you've logged in successfully, navigate to the board where you want to create your form view. Boards are where all your data is stored and organized in Monday.com, so it's vital to choose the right one. Find your board by accessing your list of boards on the left sidebar. With your board open, look toward the top banner for a small plus icon. This button allows you to add a new view to your board. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various view options available to you. In this menu, locate and click on the Form option. Selecting this will enable a form view for your board. The form view essentially allows you to create a customizable form that can be used to collect information and data directly from external parties into your board. It's an extremely useful feature when you need structured data or feedback. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created a form view in Monday.com. Using this tool effectively can streamline data collection and ensure that your workflows remain organized and efficient. Remember that forms in Monday.com are highly customizable, so take some time to tweak it according to your needs. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your boards on Monday.com. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.